Hello students, I am back after a long time. In the previous class, I explained you the addition of algebraic expression. Today we will continue the same question, that is addition of algebraic expression from part G of question number 1. So in part G, given expressions are 8a cube plus 7a square plus 4a plus 3 minus 2a cube plus a square plus 10, and third is 6a cube plus 3a plus 1. So first we will write these given expression column wise. Earlier you learned how we add the algebraic expression in a row method or horizontal method. Today I will explain you how can we add algebraic expression in column method. So first we will write this first expression, that is 8a cube plus 7a square plus 4a plus 3. Then second expression is minus 2a cube plus a square plus 10. We will write the like terms below the like terms. Variable with a cube will be written below 8a cube. Variable with a square will be written below a square, and this 10 is constant, so it will be written below the constant. Then third expression is 6a cube plus 3a plus 1. So 6a cube will be written below this a cube, 6a cube. Then this plus 3a will be written below this 4a, and this constant 1 will be written below the constant. Now we will simplify these terms. So plus 3 plus 10 plus 1 all are with positive sign, so we will add it simply. 3 plus 10 13, 13 plus 1 14. Now this is plus 4a plus 3a. This plus 4a plus 3a, it will become plus 7a plus 7a square plus a square. This a square will be counted as 1. So 7 plus 1 8 a square. Now here see, this is with plus sign, this is with minus sign, this is again with plus sign. So first we will add this plus 8 and plus 6. Plus 8 plus 6, it will be plus 14 minus 2. It will become 12a cube with positive sign. In starting we will not write this positive sign. Now next H. First expression is c plus 9a plus 13b. Then 2b. We will write this 2b below this 13b. We will write like terms below the like term. Then this plus 3a will be written below this 9a. Then plus 2c will be written below this c. It is 2c. Now third expression is plus 2b. Again it will be written below this plus 2b. Then plus c. C will be written below C plus C minus A. We have written all the like terms below each other. Now we will simplify this plus 13 plus 2 plus 2. All are with positive sign, so we will simply add these numerical coefficient. 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 2 17. It is 17b. Now this plus 9 and this plus 3, plus 9 plus 3 plus 12 minus 1, then it will be plus 11a. Now plus 1c plus 2c plus 1c, 1 and 2 3, 3 and 1 4c. Now this I part is, it is written already in column wise. See in the book, it is already written column wise. 9a minus 8, 9a plus 9. So it is 9a minus 8, 9a plus 9. We will solve this minus 8 plus 9. As you know, if two terms are with different sign, minus and plus, what we will do? We will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. It means we will subtract this 8 from plus 9. We get plus 1. When we subtract smaller one from the larger one, then we will put the sign of larger one. Here sign of larger number is plus, so we will write plus 1. Now this is plus 9a, this is also plus 9a, so it will be added simply 9 plus 9, 18. It is 18a. Now next J part. Minus a plus 15b plus 32c, 6a minus 2b minus 6a. It is also given in column. See here I part. Sorry, not I, J part. This one minus a plus 15b plus 32c. See, again here it is positive plus 32, it is minus 6. Both the numbers are with different sign, so we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. If we subtract this 6 from 32, we will get plus 26c, because here sign of larger number is plus, so we will put here plus. Now plus 15b minus 2b, again both these terms are with opposite sign plus and minus. Again we will subtract. Even in the book it is given that add the following algebraic expression. See, add the following algebraic expression. But we will follow the rules of simplify. If two terms are with opposite sign, we will subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So if we subtract 2 from 15, we get plus 13b. Add the following doesn't mean that we will add this 32 plus 6, 38, 15 plus 2, 17. No. Add means we will simplify it. Now this is minus a, this is plus 6. Again both these terms are with different sign, minus and plus. Again we will subtract this 1. It will be considered as 1. So we will subtract this 1 from this 6. 6. If we subtract 1 from 6, we will get 5a. Again sign of this larger number is plus, so it will be 5a plus. So answer will be 5a plus 13b plus 26c. Next K part. X minus y minus 25z minus 2x minus 8y plus 13z minus 40. Again it is written in the book in this way. See this one. So we will again simplify it. It will be written minus 40 as it is, minus 25z plus 13z. Again these two terms are with opposite sign, minus and plus. So we will subtract this plus number 13 from this 25. 5 minus 3, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 12z. When we subtract this 13 from 25, we get 12z. Here what is the sign of greater number? It is negative, so we will write here negative. Now minus y minus 8y. Both the sign are same, negative. This is also negative, this is also negative. When two terms are with same sign, that is negative, then their numerical coefficients, these are added. This is 1 and this is 8. It will be 9y with same sign. Sign will be negative, but numbers, numerical numbers will be added. Now this plus x and minus 2x. Here these two terms are with opposite sign. This is plus, this is minus. Again we will subtract the smaller one from this larger one. If we subtract this 1 from this 2, we get 1x. We will not write 1, we will write only x. Then what is the sign of greater number here? It is minus. So it is minus. Then answer will be minus x minus 9y minus 12z minus 40. I think now addition is clear, all of you. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract the second expression from the first in the following. In this question we have to subtract the second expression. It is given 12a comma minus a. We have to subtract this second expression from the first one. It means we have to subtract this minus a from this 12a. So how we will write it? This is 12a. We have to subtract this minus a from this 12a. So we will write 12a minus a. This is the first expression and this is the second expression. We have to subtract this second expression from the first expression. So this minus sign is for subtract. Now when we solve it, it will become this 12a. Out of this bracket there is minus sign, so this minus a will become plus a. Now 12a plus, it will be read as 1a, so 12 plus 1, 13a. Now next, here first term is 14ba, second term is 14ab. Again we have to subtract this second expression from the first one. So we will write this first one 14ba minus 14ab. This 14ba we can write 14ab. We can write this variable ba, we can write it as ab. So 14ab minus 14ab. 14, this is plus 14ab, this is minus 14ab. It will cancel, so answer will be 0. Now first term is minus abc, second term is 4cab. We have to subtract this second expression from the first one. So how we will write? This is first expression minus abc. We have to subtract from this second. So we will write it minus 4cab. Now this minus abc minus 4. This cab can be written as abc. Now both the terms are with same sign and it is negative, as we did here. Minus y minus 8y, it is minus 9y. In the same way, this is minus abc minus 4ab. See, both are negative, so we will add this number. This is 1 and this is 4. It will be minus 5 abc. This will be considered as minus 1 abc and this is minus 4 abc. So minus 5 abc. Next part, we have to subtract second expression from the first one. So how we will write? D plus 5 is the first expression. We have to subtract from this expression this second one. So D plus 5 minus 2D. D plus 5 minus 2D. Now this D and this minus 2D. These two are like terms, so we will write D minus 2D plus 5. Now we will simplify these two like terms, D minus 2D. It will be minus 1D. These two terms are with opposite sign, plus and minus. And you know, when two terms are with opposite sign, we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So we get minus 1D plus 5. Next, E part. In this E part, this is first term t cube minus t square. This is the first expression. And second expression is 3t cube plus t square. We have to subtract this second expression from this first one. So we will write it in this form: t cube minus t square minus 3t cube plus t square. Now remove the bracket. T cube minus t square minus 3t cube minus t square. You know, if out of the bracket is minus sign, then when we remove this bracket, this sign will change. It will be written as minus 3t cube and minus t square. Now what we will do? We will write these two like terms together: t cube minus 3t cube minus t square minus t square. So this t cube minus 3t cube, it will become minus 2t cube, because this is plus sign, this is minus sign. So we will subtract this plus 1 from this minus 3. We get minus 2t cube. Now minus 1t square minus 1t square. Both are with negative sign. So we will add these numbers, minus 1 and 1, 2, minus 2t square. Now next part, F part. 23a minus b plus 8c. This is first expression. A plus 11b minus 8c. This is second expression. We have to subtract this second expression from this first one. So first we will write it in this form: 23a minus b plus 8c minus a plus 11b minus 8c. Now we will remove these two brackets. 23a minus b plus 8c. First bracket will be written as it is. 23a minus b plus 8c. Now here out of this bracket there is minus sign, so we will change these three sign. This plus a will be written as minus a, this plus 11b will be written as minus 11b, minus 8c will be written as 8c. Now we will write like terms together. So 23a minus a minus b minus 11b plus 8c plus 8c. Now we will solve these like term. 23a minus a, this will be considered as 1a, 22a. Now this minus b and minus 11b, both are minus, same sign, so we will add this 1 and this 12, minus 12b plus 8c plus 16c. Next G part. R minus S plus 15. This is first expression. S plus 15. It is second expression. So we have to subtract this second expression from the first one. R minus S plus 15 minus S plus 15. So this R minus S plus 15, we will remove this bracket and change this sign, because out of this bracket there is minus sign. It will be written as minus S minus 15. Now write like terms together. R minus S plus 15 minus 15. This will be R. Solve these two like terms, minus S, it will be minus 1s, it will be minus 2s, plus 15 minus 15 cancel. So answer is R minus 2s. Next H. In this second question, see in the book, in second question, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are written in the row method and these three sums are written in column method. So we will solve these three sums in column method. How we do? H part is 6a plus b minus 9c, and second term is, second expression is minus 6a minus 7b plus 3c. When we do subtraction in this way, in this column way, then what we will do? First we will change the sign of the lower expression, this second expression, this line expression, we will change its sign, because when we do this column method, we change the sign of second bracket, because here out of this bracket minus sign here, see here also. In the same way, we will change the sign of this second expression. How? This is minus sign, we will change below it plus. This is minus sign, we will change it plus. This is plus sign, we will change it to minus. Below same, below this sign. Now we will simplify it. This is minus 9c and now it will be considered minus 3c, not plus 3c. Minus 9c and minus 3c. So both are minus sign, minus 9 minus 3 minus 12c. Now we will simplify it as we did in addition. Now it is plus b and it will be considered now plus 7b, not minus 7b. It is plus 7b. So plus 1b plus 7b. It will become plus 8b. Now plus 6a plus 6a. It will become plus 12a. Next question I. 5a plus 8b minus 14c minus 3a minus 3b. Again, first we will change the sign of the second expression, lower expression. So this minus will change to plus, this minus will change to plus. Now simplify it. Minus 14, it will be written as it is. We will not change its sign because it is in first expression, not in second expression. We change sign only for the second expression. Now this plus 8b plus 3b plus 8 plus 3 plus 11b plus 5a plus 3a plus 5 plus 3 plus 8a. So it is 8a. Students, remember, if you do not change this sign in the subtraction, your question will be, your solution will be wrong. You will not get even half mark. Now next question. 9e minus 34s minus u plus 5SU. This is plus SU. 9E minus 34S minus U plus SU minus 4E minus 23S minus 9U plus US. This SU and this US both are same. No difference between this SU and US. Now first we will change the sign. Minus will change to plus, minus will change to plus, minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus. Now solve it. This is plus SU and this is minus US. Students, you know when two terms are same but with negative sign, then it will be cancel. So plus SU and minus US, they will cancel. Now this minus 1U and plus 9U. These two terms are with opposite sign. One is minus and other is plus. So we will subtract from this 9. We will subtract this one. We get plus 8U. Now minus 34S plus 23S. Here we will subtract this 23 because it is positive, it is negative. We will subtract this 23 from 34. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 11S. With positive or negative, plus or minus. Here it will be minus because larger number is with minus sign. Now this plus 9E and this is plus 4E. Both are plus plus. It is plus, it is also plus. So we will add the numbers. 9 plus 4, 13E. Next question number 3. Take away 3E plus 4R minus 5T from 6E plus 5R minus 9T. Take away means subtract. We have to subtract this expression from this one. So we will write this expression first. 6E plus 5R minus 9T minus 3E plus 4R minus 5T. Because we have to subtract this expression from this one. Now solve the brackets. 6E plus 5R minus 9T. Terms of first bracket will be written as it is, no change. We will change the sign of this bracket, terms of this bracket. So this plus 3E will be written as minus 3E, plus 4R will be minus 4R, minus 5T will be plus 5T. Now take like terms together. 6E minus 3E plus 5R minus 4R minus 9T plus 5T. Now solve these like terms. 6E minus 3E. If we subtract 3 from 6, we get 3E plus 5R minus 4R. We will subtract this 4 from 5. We will get plus 1R. 1R means only R. Minus 9T plus 5T. This time greater number is with minus sign and smaller number is with plus sign. We will subtract this 5 from this minus 9. So we will get minus 4T. Next question. 4th. By how much does 15A plus 14B minus C exceed 5A plus 11B minus C? Again we have to subtract because it is given this number is greater and this is smaller, and this expression is how much greater by from this one. So again we will subtract. First we will write 15A plus 14B minus C. Then write this 5A plus 11B minus C. We have to subtract, so we have to change the sign of the second expression, this lower expression. Minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus, plus will change to minus. Now solve it. It is minus C and it is plus C. Both the terms are same but with opposite sign, so it will cancel. Plus 14B minus 11B, so it will be plus 3B. Plus 15A minus 5A, it will be 10A. So students, we have completed up to question number 4. Still 3 questions left, 5, 6 and 7. We will do it in the next class. Okay. If you have any problem in these sums, you can ask me during the class time. Okay. Thank you students.